Guys, Erick Pardo here with Shaheen Chevrolet. No crazy long intros, no flashy graphics. I'm just going to give you the meat. And here it is. I ordered these strut tower covers for my C8. They came in, took about a week and a half to get. These exposed strut towers. They are not that great looking. Here's how they're gonna fit. I think they look fantastic. Gosh, really nice. They're gonna fit in there really nice. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so simple. I thought I had to undo these bolts and that the cover would be held down by the bolts, but I think those are require a lot more strength than this can support. This actually, you take off the 3M sticky tape and this goes right on top and it will look super sharp. Okay guys, here it is. Installed, super nice looking. Takes it, that ugly exposed shock tower. I don't know why they did that, but it looks so much better. Look at that. Super nice quality, I think. And it'll protect it also from water getting onto the shock tower. There are some weep holes in this, but the cover just gives it a nice look. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna get it. Her favorite toy.